Okay, this morning we are out on a hot water heater our company installed like 2 years ago. It's Bradford White. He's having popping noises like sediment. This is only 2 years old. So when we started draining it, you can't see. Oh, there it is.
See all the floaters in here.
You can see all the nasty sediment. See that? Calcium. Let's see what we got in the bucket. This water is not the clearest water. It's kind of, I emptied it all out, but yeah, it's got sediment in the bottom. It's all over. Nasty sediment. So we're going to drain this whole tank out, and we're going to stick a camera up there. I'm going to stick a camera up there and see what we find. This is an older modular home. Here we got the hose disconnected. We're going to, I don't know if this thing's drained out all the way. We're going to find out quick, aren't we? No room to get anything in here. Here, let me stand in front of it. Let me stand in front of it, Mike, so I can get wet.
Do we have yours that we could hook up to?
Yeah, I got mine. But we'll see what's going on in here first. Oh, it's crusted at the bottom. There's a hard crust of it. Oh, it's filled.
I don't know if your screen's supposed to be.
No, we're good. Holy crap, it's filled full of shit. Let me go get a small one. You go get a clear.
Yeah, you can feel it in here if you put your finger in there. It's a little warm, but it's not hot.
Yeah.
On the bottom.
Yeah, I feel right there.
Let's see. Holy shit. That's the bottom right there.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Here, Mike.
Is this thing rolling?
Yeah. Yeah, there's all that garbage right there. The bottom of the tank. It's all calcified. I'm gonna find that panel rod. Easy enough. So if I come back here and if I go right there, my rod should be. I can't see the rod. Huh. Let's get this back in here for, you know, see if I can flush some of this garbage out of here. Put you.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, where they ravel up.
Yeah, it's right up just now. 75
Yeah.
And we'll try turning on the cold water here, flushing some of that crap out.
I don't think so.
Daryl, for now.
Oh yeah. Daryl's a good guy.
Yeah. Maybe in the airport, but doesn't go to the airport. That's why he went in.
Oh, jeez, oh, peas. Yeah, that's the water that's coming out of the bottom.
Yeah, shit.
Full of crud.
Full of crud and crap.
Yeah, see, I felt it when I stuck my finger in there. It was just, what the hell?
Oh, man. All right, Mike, hold that up there. Turn this water on.
Size of most of those flakes probably can't even go through that tube.
these little Pete's. Let that run. Wow. Well, we'll just let this thing flush, I guess. We got no water in the tank. Well, we started to fill it up. Alright, so after 2 years, this one's being on a well. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get a flashlight. See all that? That's 15, well, that's like 5 minutes of flushing. Calcium, minerals, hard water. That's what it does to the tanks. Gotta flush your tanks on hard water monthly. Well, it's a few days later. We're working on that water heater, and as you can see, my face is really screwed up. Well, what happened was when that we're flushing that water heater out, trying to get the scale out of it, the pilot went out, and it's on propane. Well, we smelled a little gas, but not much. You know, I didn't really think anything of it. But then I went in my bag, got a lighter, went to light the pilot. I couldn't see it. I'm like, okay, well, you know, I tried to light it. At that point, nothing happened. So went back out to the truck, got a flashlight, stuck the flashlight in the water heater, and so I could, you know, point it right at the pilot so I could see the darn thing. I'm like, well, now I can see it. So I turned it to pilot, and I depressed the gas valve for the pilot valve, went to light it, and that damn thing freaking blew out at me. Luckily I shut my eyes, I burned my eyelids, I burned my face right in here, burned my arm right there. Actually my sleeve caught fire. That's why my arm is so screwed up right here. But my hand was actually in the water heater. That didn't get anything, and that's from pulling my hand out so fast out of the water heater. I scraped the top and scraped the side. But I heard it coming, shut my eyes, turned around. By the time I turned around and opened my eyes up, I was looking 3 feet away, and I seen the flames out there. So I knew I got hit pretty hard. As you can see, my goatee is trim, no eyebrows, no eyelashes. So definitely with any gas appliance, just not water heaters, you got to be extremely careful. I've been doing this stuff for 25 years, and shit happens. I really, when I was down there, I couldn't really smell much, which was kind of odd. Usually propane, it gives you a real heavy smell. You know, that stuff stinks. But yeah, it scared the shit out of me. I was off work for a day. Back to work today. I don't look the greatest, but looked like I got a Customer said I was bullshitting them and I couldn't make it out yesterday because I went to Florida because I got a bad sunburn. And basically that's all it is. I got very lucky. First degree burns, which would be basically a sunburn on my face, basically on my arm too. So I got really lucky. So all I can say is be careful out there. Shit happens fast and you don't even realize it's gonna fucking happen. That's probably, I don't think I've ever had that happen before with a water heater. But come to find out, because we had another tech go out there a few hours later, and come to find out that gas valve's faulty on that water heater. So he went to light the pilot and he didn't even have to depress the button on the gas valve, and it was already leaking gas. So it was a faulty gas valve that got me, because it was feeding the main burner while it was trying to light the pilot. So it was a faulty gas valve. Shit happens, and it happens quick, and there's nothing. I mean, you just got to be careful. Just got to be really careful. It sucks. I got burned, I got burned, but I didn't get burned that bad. Really fortunate nothing else happened. Let's put it that way. Alright guys, be safe out there. I will see you on the next one. And like and subscribe. Thanks guys.